Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Spaylater at Puregold. So you just have to make sure that your Spaylater is activated in your account. So open your Shopee application. After that, log into your Shopee account and tap on the Spaylater, and then you just have to follow the steps on how you can activate your account. Okay, so after that, you just have to at Pure Gold, you just have to ask the cashier if they accept Shopee Pay, QRPH, and Shopee Thai payments. So Pure Gold, according to past announcements, they accept Shopee Pay, the e-wallet associated with Shopee for payment. So if they accept Shopee Pay, that means you may be able to pay using the Spaylater. So if Spaylater to Shopee Pay scan to pay is supported rather than cash or card. So some users say this work at Puregold. So for example, some people ask the cashier if it is possible to use the Spaylater, and they said that yeah, it's okay to use that. So you can also use a scan to pay method via Shopee or Shopee Pay. So you have that right here. So if the Puregold has a QR payment set up, and then just have to open your Shopee Pay wallet, tap the scan option or similar, and then let the cashier scan your generated QR code or scan there. This should prompt a payment interface, and then if this Spaylater is enabled and allowed for that store transaction, you may be given a Spaylater as a payment option. So then you can choose how you want to pay next month or in installment, just like when buying on Shopee online. So you just have to confirm your payment after that and note the terms. So after selecting Spaylater, you'll need to confirm payment. And then remember that Spaylater charges a processing fee 0 to 2% and monthly interest 1 to 5% depending on your account and the plan. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.